muscle. So,
but in your life, I don't okay. That will be okay. Just read the specimen.
so this is a specimen showing uterus and mass in the fundus. So it's an fibroid.
Okay, what are the symptoms you see in this?
So symptoms, we could see heavy menstrual bleeding, intermenstrual bleeding, and pelvic pain. If the fibroid is large, we could see pressure symptoms like urinary incontinence and difficulty in defecation. We could have submucosal and intermural and subsets.
Then this is what is read this question. Do any of students? Yeah, you can answer.
So this is a specimen showing uterus, cervix, fallopian tube and ovary with one-sided ovary is enlarged. So this is probably a specimen of ovarian cyst. They can present mostly they are asymptomatic. Then we also have dilated pain.
And
The treatment is cystectomy. Cystectomy.
then why do you think this patient has undergone hysterectomy? Anybody?
Very large. Then we have some age.
Malignant ovary cyst.
Simple.
Malignant ovary cyst.
And then if it is malignant, then they would have removed it. Cases. Good. Identify this specimen. What is this? How do you identify it? Everyone will identify this. This is, I think, everyone will cover it. And what are the clinical features they present? Women present. Yeah, abdominal pain. Then what is the treatment? What is it? Depend upon the age group again. If they are young women, then we do only their hysterectomy. If they are in the like menopausal, perimenopausal, then we will do even ovary also. So what is this one? This one? I don't know. How you identify it?
Increased thickness.
How you identify it?
So increased thickness of myometry.
Okay. And what are the clinical features? RNA in the morning. You have several classes about
Intermenstrual
Bleeding, dysmenorrhea.
dysmenorrhea. Okay. Then treatment. Again, if it is a women, then how do you treat this adenomyosis? They can do adenomyotomy. And if they are like post finished their children and then over 40 years, and symptoms are not reduced with medical management, then we can do it. And what is this specimen?
malignant ovarian tumor.
Always read the specimen like the specimen is showing uterus with tubes or ovaries or whatever. You have to read the specimen and then you can see here next it is mentioned there with the momentum. Why this is done?
Omental spread.
Why?
Omental spread. Omental spread.
Yeah, why it is there?
So if I have like
Why it is there?
so stage.
Yeah, it is there in obesity because of the ovarian malignancy. What is this one? What is this specimen?
Wortham cystectomy.
Yeah, then powder.
Wortham cystectomy.
This is certainly done for.
So done for cervical carcinoma.
Okay, what stage they do usually? What is this specimen? What is this specimen? Identify.
So this is a next specimen showing the section of uterus with cervix, and you can see endometrial growth. So this is probably a specimen of endometrial cancer.
Then what are the clinical features? There's no madness or so many. And treatment?
Hysterectomy.
Also just more about the
Hysterectomy.
And what is this one? What is this one? This is not hydrocephalus.
Para-ovarian cyst.
Yeah, what is the para-ovarian cyst? How you diagnose the para-ovarian cyst? Or is seen separately, and you can see the vessels are crisscrossing. That is one way you can identify it. And what products? There are. Is what products?
Uterovaginal.
What is it?
It is a uterovaginal.
How you identify it is a uterovaginal? Huh? Yeah, uterovaginal. And what is this one? What you can see here? Yeah, please.
This is a cut section of uterus and a mass is protruding from the cavity. It is a specimen of endometrial polyp.
Yeah, polyp or it can be even subuterus fibroid also. Then what do you do? How you manage?
Clinical.
Polyp.
Polyp, hysteroscopic polyp.
Yeah. Thanks. And these are the few slides which we look at. You all know what is used for, right? Take path here. Anything else? What is the left and back end of it used for? For? I can't tell.
It is used on, it is used on the vaginal walls to look for the hormonal status.
Okay. Then what is this one? Endocervical breast.
It is used to take samples from the endocervical.
Endocervical. What are these? Okay, as spatula, endocervical breast. What is the third one? Liquid based cytology breast. And the next one, what is this one? Fecal, what it is used for? Yeah, very good. This is used for endometrial sampling. And what are the conditions that you read anymore? What is this one? Please? Don't. Okay. If you make a mistake in this one, nobody is going to say it. Okay. What is this one? Same spec one. And what are its uses? Posterior vaginal retraction. And where are it used? Read it out.
Pelvic surgeries in endometrial biopsy, pap smear, prolapse and IUCD insertion.
And even and what is Cuscos double wall self-retaining spectrum? Try to tell in a sentence, okay? So what it is used for? Yeah, what it is used for?
Same procedures as since speculum in IUCD insertion and
Then
to
what is the advantage of this one?
the advantage of this one is it does not require assistant for you to retain the speculum. And that's it.
And the disadvantage, same thing?
Disadvantage is we cannot view the vaginal walls.
Yeah, if you want to use any other instruments, it will be difficult to put the instruments to because it will be space will be very less. And what is this one? How you identify it as back box?
Non-traumatic.
So you can see the tip non-traumatic, it is just flat. Where do you use it? It is not compressing, so you have to hold like soft tissues and you have to hold those things. We will use for what in obstetrics we will use for to hold the tubes. Okay, and in surgery where they will use this?
Appendix.
Appendix, yeah, correct. Holding the appendix tubes. And what is this one?
This is valcellum.
How you identify this as well?
The valcellum, it has 3 to 4 serrated teeth and it is curved a little bit. So.
Why is this not any medium? Why do
It
you
is-
think it's curved?
It is curved so as to not obstruct the view while holding the cervix or anything.
Okay, correct. And this is used to help the cervix. Whereas in case of pregnant uterus, you can't hold with this valcellum. You use small molecule process to hold so that It is a diagram, the type of valve where instead of putting 4 teeth, you will have 1 teeth.
It is used to hold the cervix of a nulliparous woman, especially in IUCD insertion, and since the nulliparous cervix is a little bit smaller to hold with a valcellum, and thus a tenacrum is used.
Yeah, nulliparous cervix will be small and you won't get the grip to hold valcellum or sponge forceps. So there we will use this tenacrum to hold. And what is the next one? Next slide you can see. It is sponge holding forceps. How you differentiate between a sponge holding forceps and oval forceps? Sometimes both looks like the same. Serrations, and there will be a ratchet. If you see clearly at the base, you can see a ratchet to hold to prevent slippage of the whatever you hold with. Like usually we hold with sponge and then clean like glass piece and clean the paint patient. So whereas in this oval forceps there won't be any ratchet. Okay, that will be there in the guiding instruments. And what is the next one? Second one, the other side.
Alice forceps.
Alice forceps. What's the difference between valcellum and Alice?
The curvature is the difference between Alice forceps and valcellum.
You can see both the instruments looks like same, whereas the Alice will be straight, whereas the valcellum will be angulated. Okay, and you can see here this is the valcellum and that is the Alice, and the fourth one, the corner one, back one. This is the Alice. And any tough issues we hold in surgery with especially the rectal angles as well as rectal sheath. We will go with vaginal wall here. And in case of 3rd degree and 4th degree cranial case, we will go with 3rd degree and 4th degree cranial case. We have the issues with Alice forceps and full ear and then suture. This is sponge holding forceps which I mentioned just now. And uses painting, toileting. Okay, cervical and cervical also we will use. How many Alices we require ladies?
3 Alices. 4 Alices.
In cervical and cervical we take 4 Alices. Whereas in case after delivery you see there is a cervical case after delivery of non-vaginal delivery. How many speculums we will see?
4.
Not 4, 2 we will use. And what it is called? Exploration of cervix using sponge holding forceps.
Walking around the cervix.
That's good. It's called as walking around cervix. What we will do is separate one at 12 o'clock and then at 2 o'clock, then remove the 12 o'clock one and put it 4 o'clock, and we will see go on to all around clockwise direction and see if there are any tears in that. If there are any tears, then we will suture them. And hold the angle of it. Hold the angle of the cervix. We will go. What is this instrument?
It's a right sound.
It rains sound. And how would you differentiate this from the dilators? Dilators probably there in the next slide somewhere. So how you might exercise the right sound? And let it and it mark will be there to see there. Okay? Why it is used for?
It is used to find the uterocervical length.
Uterocervical. Good. Then
And
what
the
is
direction of the uterus.
direction of nulliparous? Okay.
Direction of uterus and
Direction, correct. Main use for anteverted or retroverted, that we will identify because the angle will tell you whether the uterus body is anteverted or retroverted. And even the other questions you can do that. And IUCD, yeah, this is one more. How you will know, like identify the IUCD here? How it will be useful in case of IUCDs? You can solve.
measure the
No, not uterocervical. Okay, well, measure the uterocervical. You can insert the IUCD. After insertion, more than that, one more use. No, this is not for fellows. This is for UGC. This is small. I am just trying to ask basic question. Okay, then what we will do? We will put the evidence on and then what we will do? No, that's what I am telling you. Insertion will be helpful. One more condition with IUCD is helpful where? How? In case of missing or misplaced property or IUCD, or property, not IUCD, property, there we put this evidence out and then take an X-ray. How it relates to that from evidence out, we will see the X-ray property. Then based on that, we will know where the position of using property. Okay. And anything else you want to tell, Monica?
has measurements in it. The uterine
measurements as well as there is a area where you can hold it. Where are the students coming from now? Special. There is not an answer, okay. But if madam says, then we will talk. I don't know why you can so it. Okay, dilation. These are because dilators, and then they used to dilate the cervix. Then now, what is the size which we will dilate class to do any procedure? Number 8. Okay, normally to number 8 we will do. And if you have to do hysteroscopy, then we have to go for even more bigger size. And this is the usually most of the examiners they ask this. They keep you doing this in your hand and they ask what is this one.
Leech Wilkinson cannula.
Yeah, Leech Wilkinson cannula. What it is used for?
To assess the patency of the tube by doing the procedures such as hysterosalvo. So it is used to assess the patency of the tubes by performing procedures such as hysterosalpinography. Sir, we will inject the dye and we will inject the radiopaque dye, and with the help of the screws we will screw the cervix so as the dye won't come out, and then we will look for hysterosalpinography.
That's what you want in Amazon was telling. Because this will be painful because the diameter will use like IUI cannula, Cook's cannula. So, and even HSC as well as proper contribution to use this. Then what is this one?
This is Doyen's myoma screw.
That's my screw, even another one is bone is my screw also is there. And this is everybody knows I think. This is used to hold the myoma during myoma. What are these?
Devas retractor.
Devas retractors. What it is used for? Anyone? Everybody is sleeping in the afternoon. This one is Mr. Bladder down. Why? No. What it is used for? What is the Devas retractors use? Anyone? Yeah, good. Any chocolates are there? Nobody answered, only she answered. Good. And what is this one? Yeah, spine artery and curved artery. These are used for what? Yeah, hemostasis. They are hemostatic. And what is this one? This is also one of the favorite for many examples. They just ask because it will be confusing.
Cocker forceps.
Yeah, this is Cocker forceps. What are the uses? Have you heard of Cocker forceps? It has used in obstetrics and gynecology. Obstetrics is typical. What do you do? Yeah. Then again, any tough tissues you can hold to prevent the slippage, especially if you put a clamp on the tissue, the tip will be slipped off.
The pedicles of uterus are
Yeah, and then I use